Installed base management is the backbone of every service operation. It creates a digital foundation that tracks where each product, component, or machine is installed, who owns it, its service history, and its warranty or contract entitlements. For manufacturers of complex assets like semiconductor tools, robotics, or X-ray equipment deployed globally, accurate installed base management is not optional. It is critical. The process starts with asset data collection. Data is gathered from sales systems, service records, and customer interactions to build an up-to-date inventory. Key attributes, serial number, model, installation date, entitlement data, and location, are validated for accuracy. The goal is a single unified view created by integrating data from CRM, ERP, and service management systems. Digital documents like operating manuals, calibration records, and schematics are linked to each asset to support technicians and meet compliance requirements. Once data is collected, the installed base is created. Assets are created in the ERP or CRM after they ship to the customer and then installed or linked with full attribute data. Complex assets, such as a robot, turbine, or MRI machine, have subcomponents, and these must be created as sub-assets within a parent-child hierarchy. This initial state is called the as-shipped installed base. It represents every asset and sub-asset in the exact configuration they were in when originally shipped. All assets must carry entitlement information, warranty, and contract details. Assets are then classified using asset categorization by product type, model, industry, lifecycle status, or criticality. They are tagged using RFID, QR codes, barcodes, or GPS, depending on the environment. Over time, as repairs, upgrades, and modifications occur, the record evolves into the as-maintained installed base, a live reflection of each asset's current condition. Keeping this record current is one of the biggest operational challenges in service management.